Imagine firing your entire 5-person media team and replacing them with one AI tool that doesn't sleep, doesn't ask for vacation days, and never misspells entrepreneur. Sounds crazy, right? Welcome to 2025, where artificial intelligence just might be your new social media manager, creative director, SEO strategist, content reproposer, and brand consultant, all rolled into one ridiculously efficient digital brain called TAJA AI. So what's all the fuss about? Let's take a deep dive into how TAJA AI works, what it can do, and why it's being called the Swiss Army knife of content creation platforms. Meet TAJA AI, your digital media dream team. In today's fast-paced digital world, maintaining a consistent and engaging online presence is no longer optional, it's a survival tactic. Whether you're a YouTuber, a startup founder, or a personal brand, staying ahead means producing quality content fast and lots of it. TAJA AI steps in like the superhero sidekick you didn't know you needed. It handles everything from brainstorming content ideas to optimizing and distributing them across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. Think of it as a 24/7 digital media agency that doesn't sleep, ask for coffee breaks, or go on vacation. With a rapidly growing user base in 2025, TAJA AI is now one of the top 10 most adopted AI content tools, globally used by influencers, course creators, and even news outlets to automate and elevate their output. Step 1. Seamless integration. Getting started with TAJA AI is easier than setting up a Netflix account. You simply sign up, connect your YouTube or social media account, and watch the back-end magic unfold. Within minutes, the AI scans your existing library, identifies your most engaging formats, and learns your voice. It's powered by natural language processing models fine-tuned for content marketing, meaning it understands what kind of tone works best for your niche. Even if you're someone who thinks an API is a new sushi roll, the platform is intuitive enough to guide you through. Integration with platforms like Canva, YouTube Studio, and Meta Business Suite in 2025 makes it one of the most seamless plug-and-play systems on the market. Say goodbye to creative blocks. If you've ever stared at a blinking cursor for hours, you're not alone. Creator burnout is real. TAJA AI crushes this problem by scanning real-time search trends, niche-specific hashtags, and your past performance to serve up idea gold. Its algorithm draws on 1.2 billion data points across platforms to suggest titles, hooks, and formats that are actually getting views right now. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, TAJA might suggest 5-minute morning stretches that burn belly fat based on current Reels trends. In 2025, 63% of TAJA users report increased engagement after switching to AI-driven content ideas. This isn't guesswork, it's data-backed creativity that helps you beat the algorithm at its own game. Optimization Station, enhancing your content's reach. Creating content is only half the battle. The real challenge is making sure people actually see it. TAJA AI uses built-in SEO tools and trend analysis to write titles and descriptions that trigger YouTube and Google's recommendation engines. For instance, if you're uploading a video on productivity, TAJA might recommend a title like 10 Habits of Ultra-Productive People that you can copy today. It also auto-generates keyword-rich tags, adds structured metadata, and even timestamps videos for better viewer retention. In recent A/B tests, content optimized by TAJA ranked 38% higher in YouTube search results compared to manually written descriptions. That's the kind of silent boost that turns casual creators into content kings and queens. Thumbnail time. Captivating visuals made easy. You've got 3 seconds to stop someone from scrolling, and your thumbnail is your secret weapon. TAJA AI's thumbnail generator uses visual analysis and behavioral data to craft click-worthy images that match your video's energy. It selects frames where your expressions are most animated, suggests bold color overlays, and even tests contrast ratios for mobile visibility. According to recent analytics, thumbnails generated by TAJA have a 26% higher click-through rate on average compared to DIY designs. In a world where standing out means survival, this tool can be the difference between a viral video and one that gets buried faster than a bad tweet. Repurposing. Maximizing content value. In 2025, repurposing isn't a trend, it's a survival strategy. TAJA AI automatically slices your long-form videos into short, high-impact clips ideal for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But it doesn't stop there. It also transforms your spoken words into snappy blog posts. SEO-boosted captions, and even turns quotes into visually appealing Instagram carousals. One YouTube video can easily become 10 pieces of platform-specific content. According to Buffer, creators who repurpose content across at least 3 platforms see a 42% increase in overall engagement. TAJA's smart content mapping makes this happen with a few clicks, no editing degree required. Scheduling, streamlining your content calendar. Juggling content across multiple platforms can feel like herding caffeinated cats. TAJA AI brings order to chaos by offering an intelligent content calendar with scheduling automation. Simply set your preferred posting times and platforms, and TAJA handles the rest from thumbnail uploads to auto-scheduled captions. You can view your entire week or month at a glance, color-coded by platform. In 2025, TAJA partnered with Hootsuite and Buffer for native integration, meaning you can manage newsletters, IG posts, and YouTube videos from the same dashboard. Studies show that consistent posting boosts brand trust by 76%, and nothing keeps you more consistent than an AI that nags better than your editor. All in one platform, efficiency at its best. Why juggle 5 tools when one can do the job? TAJA AI combines the functionality of content research tools, writing assistants, thumbnail generators, and social schedulers into one sleek interface. No more toggling between ChatGPT, Canva, and TubeBuddy. Everything you need to plan, produce, polish, and publish content is housed under one roof. In a recent industry survey, digital marketers who used TAJA AI reduced their content production time by 47% while increasing output by 60%. That's not just productivity, that's dominance. And for freelancers and solopreneurs, it's like hiring an entire agency for the price of your morning latte. How does it compare to a human team? Let's face it, human teams bring flair, nuance, and the occasional office donut run. But they also bring high costs, miscommunication, and the eternal battle over font choices. TAJA AI offers speed, consistency, and affordability. It can execute hundreds of tasks in parallel, from drafting an outline to resizing a thumbnail without burning out. That said, it's not about replacing humans, it's about freeing them. You still bring the creative vision, TAJA just handles the grunt work. In fact, companies that combine AI tools with human teams in 2025 report 2.5x faster workflows with better creative results. It's not man is machine, it's man with machine. Who's this for? TAJA AI isn't just for one niche, it's a Swiss Army knife for digital warriors. Content creators use it to brainstorm daily shorts, automate captions, and generate trend-matching hashtags. Small business owners leverage it to create product videos, blog posts, and even customer email sequences. Social media managers love that they can control multiple client accounts from one dashboard, avoiding the dreaded tab overload. Educators, coaches, and influencers turn their webinars or courses into bite-sized shareable content with zero extra effort. With over 100,000 active users globally by Q1 2025, TAJA AI has become the go-to solution for anyone who wants to scale content without scaling stress. Is TAJA AI worth it? In a word, absolutely. If content is king, then TAJA AI is the loyal knight that keeps the kingdom running. It takes care of every step from ideation and creation to optimization and distribution, while giving you back time, energy, and peace of mind. With prices starting at just $29 a month and customizable enterprise plans, it's affordable for solo creators and scalable for media agencies. Reviews across platforms like G2 and Product Hunt are glowing, with users praising its impact on workflow and revenue. Whether you're growing a YouTube channel, launching a coaching brand, or just trying to stop drowning in digital chaos, TAJA AI might be the smartest move you make this year. If this AI tool just blew your mind, imagine what it could do for your content. Hit that like button, share this with your fellow creators, and subscribe for more game-changing tech tips. TAJA AI isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in digital content. See you in the next video, Creator Legends. Peace out.